Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I wish I could fly.
I wish I could fly.
I wish I had a car.
I wish I had a car.
I wish it would rain.
I wish it would rain.
I wish I were taller.
I wish I were taller.
I wish I could dance.
I wish I could dance.
I wish I knew the answer.
I wish I knew the answer.
I wish I were rich.
I wish I were rich.
I wish I had more time.
I wish I had more time.
I wish I could sing well.
I wish I could sing well.
I wish I could see you now.
I wish I could see you now.
I wish I lived near the beach.
I wish I lived near the beach.
I wish I had a car.
I wish I had a car.
I wish I could help you.
I wish I could help you.
I wish today was Sunday.
I wish today were Sunday.
I wish I had studied harder.
I wish I had studied harder.
I wish I could drive.
I wish I could drive.
I wish I were at home.
I wish I were at home.
I wish I could speak English fluently.
I wish I could speak English fluently.
I wish I had wings.
I wish I had wings.
I wish I could travel the world.
I wish I could travel the world.
I wish I could meet my favorite actor.
I wish I could meet my favorite actor.
I wish I had more friends.
I wish I had more friends.
I wish I were in Paris.
I wish I were in Paris.
I wish I had money.
I wish I had money.
I wish I could stay longer.
I wish I could stay longer.
I wish I could swim.
I wish I could swim.
I wish I could stop worrying.
I wish I could stop worrying.
I wish I could play the guitar.
I wish I could play the guitar.
I wish I had a pet cat.
I wish I had a pet cat.
I wish I was stronger.
I wish I were stronger.
I wish I had listened to you.
I wish I had listened to you.
I wish I were famous.
I wish I were famous.
I wish I were more confident.
I wish I were more confident.
I wish I could fix my car.
I wish I could fix my car.
I wish I could buy a phone.
I wish I could buy a phone.
I wish I could stop crying.
I wish I could stop crying.
I wish I could write a book.
I wish I could write a book.
I wish I could take a nap.
I wish I could take a nap.
I wish I could bake a cake.
I wish I could bake a cake.
I wish I could go shopping.
I wish I could go shopping.
I wish I could control my anger.
I wish I could control my anger.
I wish I could pass the test.
I wish I could pass the test.
I wish I were invisible.
I wish I were invisible.
I wish I could make people happy.
I wish I could make people happy.
I wish I had a garden.
I wish I had a garden.
I wish I could learn faster.
I wish I could learn faster.
I wish I could see the ocean.
I wish I could see the ocean.
I wish I could stop time.
I wish I could stop time.
I wish I could hug you.
I wish I could hug you.
I wish I could stay young forever.
I wish I could stay young forever.
I wish I were on vacation.
I wish I were on vacation.
I wish I had met you earlier.
I wish I had met you earlier.
I wish I were in a quiet place.
I wish I were in a quiet place.
I wish I could fix this problem.
I wish I could fix this problem.
I wish I could play chess.
I wish I could play chess.
I wish I could relax.
I wish I could relax.
I wish I could forget the pain.
I wish I could forget the pain.
I wish I could visit my grandparents.
I wish I could visit my grandparents.
I wish I could smile more.
I wish I could smile more.
I wish I could play the piano.
I wish I could play the piano.
I wish I had taken more photos.
I wish I had taken more photos.
I wish I could see the sunrise.
I wish I could see the sunrise.
I wish I had finished my homework.
I wish I had finished my homework.
I wish I could make a wish come true.
I wish I could make a wish come true.
I wish I could talk to my old friends.
I wish I could talk to my old friends.
I wish I were there.
I wish I were there.
I wish I could understand you.
I wish I could understand you.
I wish I had passed the exam.
I wish I had passed the exam.
I wish I were in your place.
I wish I were in your place.
I wish I had saved more money.
I wish I had saved more money.
I wish I could dance like her.
I wish I could dance like her.
I wish I could read faster.
I wish I could read faster.
I wish I could go to school again.
I wish I could go to school again.
I wish I were a doctor.
I wish I were a doctor.
I wish I could play football.
I wish I could play football.
I wish I could see the stars tonight.
I wish I could see the stars tonight.
I wish I had told the truth.
I wish I had told the truth.
I wish I could sleep better.
I wish I could sleep better.
I wish I were not so busy.
I wish I were not so busy.
I wish I had taken that job.
I wish I had taken that job.
I wish I could cook well.
I wish I could cook well.
I wish I could remember everything.
I wish I could remember everything.
I wish I could change the past.
I wish I could change the past.
I wish I were a child again.
I wish I were a child again.
I wish I could paint.
I wish I could paint.
I wish I could stay with you.
I wish I could stay with you.
I wish I had your phone number.
I wish I had your phone number.
I wish I were brave.
I wish I were brave.
I wish I had a big house.
I wish I had a big house.
I wish I could run fast.
I wish I could run fast.
I wish I could go back in time.
I wish I could go back in time.
I wish I could make you smile.
I wish I could make you smile.
I wish I had a better job.
I wish I had a better job.
I wish I could be your friend.
I wish I could be your friend.
I wish I had said goodbye.
I wish I had said goodbye.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.